Hey guys, a lot has been said about how different the AirPods 3 sound compared to the Pros. Some people, me included, even prefer how the 3 sound because of its heavier bass. In this video, I have included some sound samples to give you a rough idea about how they compare in terms of sound quality to the AirPods Pro. Now, before we get to the samples, a couple of disclaimers. These samples are not a one-to-one reproduction of their sound quality because equipment like microphones will add their own distortions to the sound. So these samples will not be a replacement for actually listening to these earbuds in person. Second, I do recommend that you use earbuds when listening to the samples for better fidelity since their sound quality differences don't translate very well to headphones or speakers. By the way guys, for more videos like this one from this channel, please subscribe right now and ring the notifications bell to stay notified of new content from me. So we're gonna play a couple of songs. Let's begin.
Back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So, based on these samples, which of these earbuds sound better to you? The AirPods 3 or AirPods Pro? Let me know in the comments. For my full in-depth analysis of their differences in sound quality, call quality, and features, watch my review of the AirPods 3 over here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share. Also, a big shout out to these legends who support this channel by contributing $1 or more per month through the crowdfunding website Patreon. If you want to be a legend too, do join me on Patreon. That's how you can help keep this show going and gain some rewards along the way, like being credited at the end of every video. So link is in the box down below if you want to help support. I've also got a Discord server. Do join if you want to hang out. More videos coming up soon, so don't go away.